Last few years, please give it up for the very wonderful Mr. TekkJohnson!
Birds, how we doing tonight? Nah, fuck that shit. It's 420, bitches. It's time to get loud. How the fuck we doing? It's the one day of the year everyone does something illegal, and it's cool. But cocaine doesn't get away with that. There's not a single day of the year where everyone's like, I was doing cocaine with everyone today. No one's gonna do it. You're gonna get sent to fucking HR, Julia. By the way, sir, you look like every poker player that's lost his house, like twice. But I just want you to know that. But, by the way, huge shout out. Come on, give it up. This man is the first world star foodie. I've never seen a black dude take a picture of his food before he eats it. I didn't see that shit, didn't you, motherfucker? He's the first black dude to ever have a Yelp account. That's fucking amazing. That's 2018 right there, goddammit. Or you can be a black foodie and sell 30/60 on a goddamn Tuesday. That's America. By the way, that hairline so far back, I thought your ass was a part of the new Predator movie, and I'm sorry for that. Like, see, he was like, we was having fun, and then he roasted me, like, I don't want to do shit now. So it's okay, because I'm starting to, like, not want to roast people more, because I'm part of bitch. It's weird, it's hard. Alright, this all started when I started doing like weird charity shows, because it turns out as a comedian I can write that kind of shit off, and that's good when you flip burgers in the daytime. But I started doing tattoos for like prisoners and shit. And when you do shit, like do shows for prisoners, it's really fucking scary to make someone laugh and roast them when they have a fucking face tattoo. I'm sorry, if you have a face tattoo right now, you can have my fucking wallet. You scared the shit out of me. Like, alright, why? Because a tattoo gun coming near my face is like a dick coming near my face. Either way, I'm gonna be like, no. No, I don't want it. Like, stop. And plus, when you start thinking about prisoners, like, they ain't got that much shit to do. So I don't want me to be that goal that survives them through a season of Oz. Like I don't want them to be in that scene where they're talking about their families and shit on the yard. He's like, yo, Joe, what you doing next month, man? Oh, I'm gonna see my family. Like, oh, that's cool. Hey, Jamal, what you doing next month? They're like, oh, I'm gonna go see my girl, get a little, you know. Look, true. Hey, Malcolm. You ain't saying that much, man. What's wrong? What you doing when you get out, man? Yeah. Me? I'ma kill TekkJohnson. Yeah, nigga made fun of my nights last week. Ain't like that shit. Like, I'm not about to have that shit in my life. Fuck that. I live a nice, peaceful fucking pot life. Like it's a happy, joyful life. I'm a member of Normal, goddammit. And just for the record, I know y'all see this sweater. I am not a weed wizard. Just to get that shit the fuck out there. I had a 60-year-old man ask me if I wanted to do $25.50 today at the gas station because of this sweater. Like, so I knew how to take it off. But, I don't know if you noticed, this is actually my girlfriend's sweater from Torrid. Really nice. I love this sweater because it's a setup for like homophobic people. It is, every time. I had a redneck dude outside of a gas station look at me and he's like, that's a cool fucking sweater. I'm like, thanks, man. I know you don't compliment black people, so I'll take it. And he goes, where'd you get it? And I'm like, actually, it's my girlfriend's. And he immediately switches and he's like, queer? Bitch, you already said you like the sweater. Like, who's gayer? Me for having a girlfriend or you for having gay taste? Like, I'm just... We got any Colin Kaepernick supporters in here? Wow, y'all some unkneeling motherfuckers. Like, I didn't tell y'all to time travel. It's about, like, it's a protest, bitch. Like, people are still getting shot. It's okay to say, like, his name. Like, I didn't say Voldemort. Jesus Christ. Like, it said Kaepernick, not Voldemort. Like, how dare you say his name? It's good. But you know what's crazy about that shit? Alright, everybody knows Kaepernick's name, but can one person in here tell me the only black NASCAR driver's name? You can't fucking do it, can you? Yeah, see? It's fucking NASCAR, right? Exactly. Now, when all that protest shit was going on, you know who was getting shit for not protesting? The fucking black NASCAR driver. But you know what the fucked up part that no one wants to realize is? It's a predominantly white goddamn sport, so his presence was the protest. He didn't have to kneel because he knew he was already in the middle of some shit. Like, it's hard to kneel when you know there's a noose going there. Like, fucking seriously? He can't go around a turn without being called a nigger. Fuck you. Like, oh damn. I feel like I just made you turn in your alt-right video sweater. Like, it's like, shit got real with that joke. Like, I gotta go watch Black Panther again, goddamn. You know what's the great part about Black Panther? It like joined me with black people for like 3 months, and it was great because I was exiled, right? Like 10 years ago, like none of the shit that I'm into was cool with black people for a while. You get it? Like, you know. She right now, she like, I would never date your white ass. Like, and it's cool because you know what? I found me a white girl because I got tired of getting cursed out by black girls at Foot Locker. Like, and let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. There's so many times you can get cursed out of Foot Locker before you're like, you know what? I'm gonna go to Hot Topic, see what the fuck that's about. Like, y'all been great. That's my time, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all.